Good day everyone, my name is Ryan Muvirini and my student number is 248-57106. I'm a student in the BPT 1501 module in the University of South Africa. Today I'm excited to present to you my innovative educational tool called the Fraction Pizza Party. This tool is designed to help primary school learners understand and apply basic fraction concepts in a fun, engaging and hands-on way. Let me show you how it works. I start by presenting the whole pizza to the classroom. Then I remove the pieces to explain fractions. For example, 2 slices make 1/2, 4 slices make 1/4, and 8 slices make 1/8 portions. I hand out task cards with instructions like create a pizza with 3/4 cheese and 1/4 mushrooms, or make a pizza with 4/8 slices of tomatoes. Learners select the correct number of slices, place toppings on the correct fraction, and then explain the answers to the classroom. This reinforces the calculation but also understanding of what fractions mean visually and practically. Critical thinking. Learners must use critical thinking to solve each challenge. For example, when asked to make a pizza that's half mushroom and half tomato, they must calculate how many slices to use, how to divide the toppings evenly, and justify their reasoning. To conclude, the Fraction Pizza Party tool enhances mathematics instructions by making fractions interactive, visual, and fun. It promotes deep understanding, engagement, and inclusivity in the classroom. Thank you.